Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibanta na kajingya nanti ban penkesan nyala kajong keseng sanhima kata ke Bharatiya Janata Party u Menteri Rang Badu kari u Narendra Modi haka kan reu terek mentau benai nok pra ulawan yu kejat ru syakani kejela hakani kesngi u Narendra Modi ulawan poi hakani nong ba Shillong hakaba nakaliang kejela la pedang sobha yu Narendra Modi nadu nakaka lingsun jong katnat Indian Air Force kabaha apor Shillong da u Menteri Rang Ba kejela u Dr. Mukul Sangma rengkat kiwedi ki sarkar bat kumjo nakaliang ke BJP Meghalaya namar bakadai kapor baka Meghalaya kadang penkre banjir temano ekonomik mat sakayung terbar thawan kejingwan jong u Narendra Modi ru kadai halor banyilap election hakaba ulawan mat penkesan yakinia ki jutang sakipait ba bikin ai yakijing kersan yaki kertong jong ke BJP haba ai jingkran sakipait ba ha kejingalang kebala pelong Hamadan Polo Shillong u Menteri Rang Badu kari u Narendra Modi ulah ther bat penramjor ya keseng kongres hakani kejela da kabakno bawatla kala sensar la bon snam penban ke Meghalaya kadang sa dien haki bon ki kampen roy nalor kajing ketho ya ke sarkar MUA2 u Narendra Modi ulai thuru sakipait ba halor kapisa ke balamang da ke sarkar pedeng na ke benta ki kampen roy baper hakani kejela Meghalaya
kumno philang Kamman मान थी मैरी क्रिसमस हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मेघालय आना मेरे लिए हमेशा एक बहुत ही सुखद अनुभव रहा है पिछले साल जब यहां आया था तो उस समय आप लोगों ने जो चाय पिलाई उसका स्वाद आज भी मैं याद करता रहता हूं उस समय बारिश थी आज थोड़ी ठंड है मुझे याद है जब मैंने माफला गांव में नगाड़ा बजाया था तो वहां एक युवा जो बहुत ही नगाड़ा का एक्सपर्ट था उसने जब मुझे नगाड़ा बजाते देखा तो इतना खुश हो गया कि उसने आकर के मेरी पीठ पर जैसे एक दोस्त को थपथपाता है वैसे उसने मुझे शाबाशी दी थी फ्रेंड्स आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव inaugurated today the 261 kilometer long two-laning of Shillong non-stop section of National Highway 106 and non-stop Ramjan section of National Highway 127B. The project has cost over rupees 2,300 crore. This important project connects East and West Khasi Hills, East Garo Hills and West Garo Hills with Shillong. It will enhance connectivity and reduce transportation cost. This road will serve as an east-west corridor for Meghalaya. It will boost economic activity in the state. It will also establish a direct link between the two most important towns in the state, Shillong and Tura, eliminating the need to travel via Guwahati. Travel time will now reduce by almost half to only 8 hours instead of the earlier 15 to 16 hours. to deeper connectivity, thereby creating opportunities for every aspiring Indian. Friends, across the Northeast, the Union government has sanctioned around 4,000 kilometers of national highway for amount of over rupees 32,000 crore. Over 1,200 kilometers have been constructed at an expenditure of nearly rupees 14,000 crore during last 3 years only. Over the next 2 to 3 years, an investment about rupees 60,000 crore is proposed under Special Accelerated Road Development Program in the Northeast area. An investment of rupees 30,000 crore under Bharatmala is proposed for development of national highways in Northeast states. In Meghalaya, 80 kilometers of national highway has been constructed by the central government in the last 3 years. Work is in progress for an additional 200 kilometer length of National Highway 40 and 44. National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited will take up road construction of 400 kilometers length in Meghalaya at a cost of over rupees 5,700 crore rupees. In the last 3.5 years, the Union government has released about rupees 470 crore to Meghalaya under Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana for village connectivity. This has enabled construction of nearly 700 kilometers road to connect over 100 habitations. This is 3 times the amount released during the 4-year period of 2010 to 2014 of UPA government. More than 4 crore households are yet to be connected with electricity. I can feel the hardship faced by each such family. With the objective to provide electricity to all, our government has launched a new scheme, Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, or Saubhagya, to ensure electrification of all village households in the country with government support of over rupees 12,000 crore. The target is to complete household electrification by December next year. All northeastern states, including Meghalaya, will vastly benefit from this scheme. Over 19,000 Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana. Friends, during my last visit to Meghalaya in May 2016, I had talked about promotion of tourism in the state. We want to make Meghalaya a top tourist destination. Government of India has sanctioned around rupees 100 crore for development of tourist destination in the state of Meghalaya. The entire country takes pride in the rich sporting traditions of Meghalaya. Names of footballers like Mr. Eugene Linglo, Mr. Marlanki Suti, Mr. Alborlan Thongji, स्वाभाविक याद आते हैं. Recently, Miss Dolly Kharbi became the second woman from this state to scale Mount Everest. Miss Linja Fenning in karate and Mr. Turak Khapran in boxing have also brought lot for the state. The South Asian Games held at Guwahati and Shillong in 2016 have resulted in the development of some good sports infrastructure. We will work to further boost the same to give enough sporting opportunity to the youth. Meghalaya will also host the National Games in 2022. I am sure that with proper support and training to the sports persons, Meghalaya can become one of India's top sporting states.
Love it.